Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch your Twitter to professional, since the professional tools on Twitter come in useful. So I'm going to be showing you how it's all done, and the steps are quite actually simple. Let's simply open Twitter, and then after having it open, simply click here on the profile button. And now as you can see you have even more tools to work with, so let's now simply slide down to Twitter for Professional. And now as you can see we have this final notification asking you if you wish to agree and continue, and now simply come and then click here on the agree and continue. And now that it's been opened, you can see that we have been given the option to add in your professional description, and now simply confirm it. And now as you can see you have been given the option to select or choose the category you wish your account to have. So simply select the category you would wish for your account to have. So simply click next. And now that it's open, you can see that we have the option to select whether our account is about business or creator. So simply select the one you would like. And now after selecting it, simply come and then click here on next. And now as you can see we have the final confirmation telling you that it's been confirmed. So from now on your account has been set to professional. So from now on you will be accessing your Twitter professional tools. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe.